Coming to you live from JFK International Airport.
Let's give the people what they really want.
We are going to California. We are filming some home tours for you for our Design Within Reach series. I thought it would be fun to take you behind the scenes and show you what goes into this. Dominique is coming along with us. Andrew's over here. He's doing important things on the phone. We'll be there for 10 days and I'm super excited. Come along. By the end of this, you will be in California. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We made it to California.
Is it filming?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Hey.
We are at Fisherman's Wharf enjoying some tacos at Taco Cantina. Prepping for tomorrow's shoot, talking over details.
We forgot the vlogging camera, but here we are in Yountville.
The cutest town.
We'll share.
I love Napa. Bridget. It is now the morning after, and we are getting ready to go and tour Brody Jenkins' home. You might know her on Instagram as Enchanted Berkeley. Her home is literally straight out of a storybook. Looks like a fairy tale. I'm so excited to show you. But Andrew and Dominic are just taking care of some technological things, which is not my field of expertise at all. Also, I forgot to tell you, it's my birthday today, so today's gonna be a fun day. Let's go. Oh, focus on me.
We secured the goods.
We got the bag.
Happy birthday to me.
I literally forgot it was my birthday.
Oh my gosh.
So here we are. We're at Brody's house. It is gorgeous, airy, beautiful, and light, and we love it. And we're about to start our home tour. Here we go.
Less talking, more showing.
Look who's a big shot.
And the window.
Intro set up.
So that when she peeks out.
Domo, shot check.
I love you.
I miss you.
The stones with this gorgeous light, and I love the way it moves with the trees and
Oh! Jack, you're so good! We unfortunately had some audio issues, but it will go back to normal momentarily. But here I'm just explaining that we had such a blast at Brody's home. We were truly on such a high after spending time with Brody in her beautiful storybook home. So excited to share this one with you guys. It was truly the perfect way to start off my birthday. And I'm also just sharing here that we are on our way to the horse farm to go horseback riding, which is super, super exciting. And of course here, Dominic is trying to get the attention again on the camera. We love her for that. Are you from 1 to 10? I forget.
Where's the slate? Mine is Duke.
Just like an intermediate. That was so. This is us getting in the car after horseback riding. Andrew's lips were super chapped and all I had was my tinted chapstick, so that's what you're seeing here. But we truly had an absolute blast horseback riding. It was such a beautiful experience. Andrew went from being absolutely terrified about getting on a horse to then falling in love with it and looking up where we could get horseback riding lessons back home. So it's safe to say that he has converted into a horse lover. It was truly the best birthday gift, horseback riding through that vineyard. I will never forget this experience. So thankful. And now we're off to get dinner in Yountville at the Restoration Hardware restaurant, which was super beautiful and super delicious.
Happy birthday to you. Did you get those, Harmony? Here we are at Ashlin's home, coming to you live. It is a beautiful day here in Cali.
Vacaville.
Okay, so we are at Ashlin's house right now. We're about to start home tour number 2. Just got done with B-roll. I'm going to keep you guys tuned. Just want to show this dining room real quick. Can't you just see, like, I don't know, some insane battle being planned at this table? Like, it just looks like a place where things get done. You know what I mean?
Sorry, don't say welcome back. Be like, hello and welcome back. You know, like,
Yeah.
Intro issues.
authentic and fake.
Oh,
I'm just kidding. Total joke. Hold on, let me
Trouble in Paradise.
Ready? Are you ready?
Yeah. So comment down below that you're interested to get her inspired.
Someone do the shipping for me.
Yeah.
So we just finished the proper tour. I'm here with Andrew. We just finished the home tour and the interview, and now we're gonna go into some B-rolls. I'm gonna take you along for this little fun thing that we do. Okay, Andrew, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so we're starting off with the living room.
My little manager
I've got this little list here. Okay. Yay! Good job! All right, we just finished at Ashlin's home. It's pretty incredible, the pieces that Ashlin has thrifted. Her whole home is basically thrifted. I think you will be so inspired. Dominique's pooped, so she's sleeping in the back. Let's hear it for my baby. You know I gotta understand. He's my love and one man show. Oh, 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 oh. Let's hear it for the boys. We did so soft.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Andrew, you have to take your toes out. I wonder if all of California's sand feels this soft. Oh yeah.
No, Dominique.
So beautiful.
Oh, you're filming?
Dominique, where are you? Sister.
What are you doing? Are you filming?
Uh-huh. You're loving modeling right now.
3, 2, 1.
Hello, friends. Here we are at Carmel by the sea. Just had a great time looking at the beach, and we're headed back to the car now. Are you the sweet invention of a lover's dream?
What I had to do, I just you. Hey guys, it's been so long. I know Bridget's been hiding me away out of jealousy and envy, but we are on our way to our 3rd home tour of our route. It is with Karen, aka Milk and Honey Life at Instagram.com.
What do you think? You want to move in? Guys, we are here at Karen Emile's beautiful home in California, and I literally just want to move in. We're out here. She has an outdoor pool, outdoor kitchen. It's amazing. We're just about to get started on the interview. We did B-roll, and I already never want to leave. Hello and welcome back to Tazori Home. Today we are bringing you our next episode in our series Design Within Reach, where we share everyday people's homes with you to show you that you can create a home you love within your means. Seeing your home, your design style is very specific and very unique to you.
Yes.
How?
I would go to different places and I would see like the outdoor kitchen. That was very.
Okay guys, we're starting the interview portion. We just finished the tour. So here we go. We'll start framing our shots.
With my other chickens, I worked always, and there's.
Just finished at Karen Emile's home. I want to move in. I want her backyard to be my own. Where are we? We're going to Amber Interiors because it was just like right across the corner from Karen. She mentioned it to us, and so now we're gonna go. These pillows. Oh my god.
World. That's right.
Mom, I say that's really because we would have said
I want all these pots. They're such a great price. If we lived here, I would be grabbing all of them and making a potted garden in our apartment.
Day 4 of home tours, not day 4 of the trip back here. What?
Look at the kid.
Oh. Sorry, I just can't stop looking at myself. And we are heading to Kira's house. We're excited about this one.
This is Kira Smokin on Instagram. And she plays with lots of fun color and patterns in her home, which makes me very excited. Okay, stay tuned. Alright, so we should...
Everybody, we just got done with our last home tour. It went so well. I'm really excited. Usually Bridget says that stuff, but I'm very excited for you guys to see this one. And now we're getting our classic B-roll. And yeah, we'll keep you posted. There's a little sneak peek.
That home tour completed. That was... Why did I say it that way?
All right, guys, that home tour completed.
That was
Wait.
the last home of our tour.
Dominique.
Okay,
We did it! We did it!
We did it.
Home tours are now complete and the play begins.
First order of business, get Dominique an early ticket back home. We're gonna drop her off at the airport tonight, a little surprise. She said she was
amigos, amigas.
She said she was homesick, so we're sending her back 6 days early.
Keep an eye out for these home tours coming soon, and let us know what you thought of this video. I thought it was kind of fun to take you behind the scenes. Curious what you think. And make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.
Ciao a tutti e benvenuto. Ciao, ciao.
That is a perfect ending to this video. Dominique, just like and subscribe.